Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we were doing chapter number, we were doing all the topics pages wise, okay? And in today's session, the next topic that we are going to start in the session is given at page number 19, that is champions of change. Okay, so this is the next topic that we are going to start in today's session. Okay, so page number is 19, the topic is champions of change, and you can just open your books at page number 19, that is champions of change. So here I am writing the topic on the board, and while that you just open your book, that is champions of change. Okay, champions of change. This is the topic, and this is given at page number 19. Champions of change. Clear? So in this we will talk about the various personalities, great personalities actually, those who had made a lots of contribution to the world with their great social work, okay, with their great passion, with their great love for the country, with their great contribution for improving the standard, for rehabilitation of the people. Okay, so there are different things, there are different noble works that are being done by these great personalities. Okay, so in this we will talk about some of the great people. Okay, they were considered as the social reformers for the country. Okay, so what is the meaning of social reformer? So this is the first thing, that what is the meaning of this? Social reformer means, beta, the person or the who has brought some kind of change in the society, who has brought some kind of reforms. Reforms means changes, okay, but for the betterment, for the improvement. ओके तो किसी भी चीज़ की बेटरमेंट के लिए, उसकी इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए जो चेंजेस लाए गए हैं, दैट इज कंसीडर्ड एज reformers. Okay, and here in this we will talk about some of the social reformers. So that means they have done something that has brought changes in the uplifting the standard of the people, uplifting the living standards, uplifting the rehabilitation of the people. Okay, so there are certain measures that are being done, there are certain things that are being done by these great personalities. Okay, so if we talk about the heading that is given here, these people made a difference to the world by bringing about reforms in society. Pick their names from the help box and write them in the blanks. Okay, so here this is given that the some of the people whose names are given here, and they had made, they have brought made a difference to the world. देखिए यहाँ पे word use किया गया, difference to the world. That means some kind of change that they had brought a great difference to the world. कि मतलब उन्होंने लोगों के में एक जो पहले conditions थी, जो पहले severe conditions थी, उनको change करके जो लोगों की condition है वो improve कर दी, ताकि जो लोग हैं they should be they are able to you can say that they are able to improvise. Okay, so now they can live better life. Okay, so this is the some kind of changes or reforms that are being brought by these some great persons. Okay, so in this we will talk about some of the persons who have brought all these changes. Clear? So here the first is, he challenged the traditional Hindu culture, denounced the caste system and formed the Brahm Samaj. Okay, a Hindu reformist sector has efforts led to the prohibition of the custom of sati. So now we are talking about one of the great person here, okay, and he has fought, okay, तो ये कौन थे, okay, so he is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. So we are talking about Raja Ram Mohan Roy. देखिए इन्होंने बहुत सारे चेंजेस लाइक, ओके, तो फर्स्ट थिंग दैट ही देखिए बहुत सारी कुरीतियाँ या कुप्रथा थी जो हमारे कंट्री में चलती थी, ओके, जिसकी वजह से ज़्यादातर बच्चों को एंड द वुमेन्स ऑफ द सोसाइटी दे हैड टू सफ़र अ लॉट. उन्होंने बहुत सारी सफरिंग्स झेली. आपने सुना होगा कि अर्लियर देयर आर सर्टेन सिस्टम दैट वुमेन्स वर नॉट अलाउड टू कम इन द फ्रंट ऑफ अदर मैन अदर देन हिज हस्बैंड. Okay, they were not allowed to study, they were not allowed to get educated, okay, they can't come out of their houses without having parda on their faces. So parda system, sati practices, various evil practices were, we will not it is just evil practices were there, but these social reformers, they had brought an end to these evil practices. So as I'm talking about Raja Ram Mohan Roy, so let's discuss about some of his work that he has made, to which he has made the contribution to the country. Okay, now here it is given, he challenged the traditional Hindu culture, denounced the caste system. तो इन्होंने जो पुराना हिंदू कल्चर था उसको चैलेंज करते हुए, उसको ना मानते हुए, ओके, मानते हुए डिनाउंस द कास्ट सिस्टम. तो कास्ट सिस्टम, द पीपल वर सेग्रीगेटेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द कास्ट. तो लोगों को उनकी कास्ट के बेसिस पे, उनकी जाति के बेसिस पे सेग्रीगेट किया जाता था. दे मत, ओके, सो द पीपल हु बिलोंग टू द लोअर कास्ट, दे वर ट्रीटेड वेरी बैडली बाय द पीपल ऑफ द अपर सेक्शन ऑफ द सोसाइटी. ओके, जो गरीब, नॉट गरीब यू कैन से, तो मतलब जो लोअर कास्ट के जो लोग थे, जिसको हम शेड्यूल ट्राइब या शेड्यूल कास्ट बोलते हैं, सो दे वर treated so bad by the people from the upper section of the society that they were not allowed to live with them, they were not allowed to use the public vehicles they were using, they were not allowed to drink water from the same well from the where the other persons is. So that meant they were just treated like the even worse than the animals. They were being treated even worse than the animals. तो उनकी जो लाइफ थी वो एनिमल्स से भी ज़्यादा खराब थी, ओके, उनके ट्रीटमेंट से. सो when Raja Ram Mohan Roy, then he came to know about it, he just observed all these things, that he thought that we must put to an end to these all kinds of evil practices. So here he has denounced the caste system. तो उन्होंने लोगों को उनकी कास्ट के बेसिस पे जो सेग्रीगेशन थी उसको ख़त्म किया. सेकेंड, एंड फॉर्म द ब्रह्म समाज, ओके, और उन्होंने ब्रह्म समाज फाइंड आउट जो स्थापना की, अंडर विच ऑल द पीपल वेदर दे बिलोंग टू द एनी कास्ट एनी रिलीजन, दे वर ट्रीटेड इक्वली, ओके, दे वर मेड टू दैट, मतलब उनको ये बोला गया कि दैट यू ऑल आर इक्वल, यू कांट सेग्रीगेट द पीपल, यू कांट differentiate the people on the basis of their caste, because the God has made them all a one in a one. Everybody is having the same parts of body that the other person is having, so that how we, the people, the humans can segregate the people on the basis of their caste. Okay, so इन्होंने इसको जो caste system था उसको ख़त्म किया. Other than that, he has left his efforts to prohibition of custom of sati. So he has also put an end to the sati practices. So what is sati practice, beta? The sati practice in the earlier, so there was a practice that when the husband of a lady died, then she was burnt along with the dead body. She was burned alive along with the dead body of her husband. अगर किसी औरत के हस्बैंड की डेथ हो जाती थी, मतलब पति की डेथ हो जाती थी, तो उनको क्या किया जाता था, उनको उन्हीं के पति की डेड बॉडी के साथ जिंदा जला दिया जाता था, कि दैट दे वर, मतलब दे जस्ट फॉलोइंग द मेथड दैट अ वुमेन शुड इज नो नथिंग विदाउट हर हस्बैंड. माना जाता था कि जो औरत है वो अपने हस्बैंड के बिना नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. सो इसलिए जैसे ही किसी के हस्बैंड की डेथ होती थी तो उसकी जो वाइफ थी उसको भी उनके साथ जला दिया जाता था. ओके, मतलब दे जस्ट फील दैट दिस इज जस्ट अ सिंबल ऑफ लव फॉर देयर हस्बैंड. बट this was just an evil practice, okay, which Raja Ram Mohan Roy led to an end, because he said that देखिए अगर एक इंसान ऑलरेडी मरा हुआ है, देन हाउ यू कैन बर्न द अदर वुमेन फॉर दैट, ओके. तो उसके हस्बैंड की डेथ हो गई किसी कारण से, ड्यू टू सम एक्सीडेंट, ड्यू टू सम फिजिकल इलनेस, सो देन हाउ वी कैन बर्न द वुमेन ऑल्सो, दैट उसकी क्या गलती थी, ओके. सो this was a very evil practice, but Raja Ram Mohan Roy, and along with Raja Ram Mohan Roy, there are certain other social reformers as well, those who had bought into this practice कि नहीं ये बहुत ही कुप्रथा है जो कि ख़त्म कर देनी चाहिए, ठीक है. ताकि देखिए औरतों को उनके हस्बैंड के साथ जिंदा जलाना इज़ नॉट अ बिग गुड डील, सो दैट ही थॉट दैट दिस शुड बी पेटेंड, एंड ही हैज़ मेड सेवरल एफर्ट्स, ओके, टू स्टॉप दिस काइंड ऑफ एवल प्रैक्टिस, ओके. सो हियर द फर्स्ट रिफॉर्मर जिनकी हमने बात की, ओके, ही चैलेंज द हिंदू कल्चर, ही डिनाउंस द कास्ट सिस्टम, ओके, एंड ही हैज़ ऑल्सो फॉर्म्ड, ही इज़ ऑल्सो द फाउंडर ऑफ ब्रह्म समाज, okay, and he also put his efforts for the prohibition of sati practice. So he is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. So he is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. The first answer of the first one is, that is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Clear? Second one, his efforts led to the legislations of the widow remarriage in India. He promoted the education of the girls and strongly opposed child marriage and polygamy. Okay, so next जिनकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, okay, so he is his name is Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. So now we are talking about Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. ईश्वर चंद विद्यासागर कौन थे, इनके बारे में हम उन्होंने क्या क्या काम किया. Okay, so the first social reform that he had brought, that is remarriage, widow remarriage. Widow remarriage means जो विधवा औरतें थी उनकी दोबारा से शादी. जैसे कि मैंने अभी आपको बताया था कि सती प्रैक्टिस वर देयर, कि मतलब जो औरतें थी उनको जला दिया जाता था, ओके. तो उनको कहते माना जाता है कि अब औरतें जो विधवा हो जाती हैं, दिस इज जस्ट अ कर्स फॉर देम. तो इसलिए उनको उनके श्राप से मुक्त करने के लिए वो क्या करते थे, दे जस्ट बरी देम अलॉन्ग विद द डेड बॉडी ऑफ देयर हस्बैंड, ओके. बट ईश्वर चंद विद्यासागर ने क्या, मतलब जब ये प्रैक्टिस खत्म हो गई सती प्रैक्टिस, देन ईश्वर चंद विद्यासागर ही हैज़ बॉट दिस सोशल रिफॉर्म ऑफ विडो रीमैरिज, ओके. सो जो औरतें विधवा हो जाती है, जिनके हस्बैंड की डेथ हो जाती है, उनकी दोबारा से शादी, ओके, सो दैट दे कैन ऑल्सो लिव अ बेटर लाइफ, ओके. सो दे ऑल्सो हैव अ पार्टनर whom which they can depend upon for their daily needs, okay, and they can look after their children or the family, okay. So with ईश्वर चंद विद्यासागर promoted the widow marriage, जो विधवा औरतें हैं उनकी दोबारा से शादी, okay. He promoted the education of girls and strongly opposed child marriage, okay. So he has also promoted the education of गर्ल्स. तो उन्होंने कहा कि लड़कियों को बाहर पढ़ने जाने की भी आज़ादी होनी चाहिए. द गर्ल्स शुड ऑल्सो बी गिवन द फ्रीडम सो दैट दे कैन कम आउट ऑफ देयर हाउसेज फ्रॉम द फोर वॉल्स एंड दे कैन स्टडी, they can be educated, so that in future when they can have a good life along with their family, okay. And strongly opposed child marriage and polygamy. So इसके अलावा उन्होंने जो चाइल्ड मैरिज, जो बचपन में जिसको बाल विवाह हम बोलते हैं, सो ही वाज स्ट्रांगली अपोज्ड द चाइल्ड मैरिज एज वेल, कि बचपन में ही किसी की शादी करवा देना, दैट ही ऑल्सो अपोज दैट, ओके. सो ही ऑल्सो अपोज द चाइल्ड रीमैरिज, कि बचपन में जो बच्चों की शादी करवा दी जाती थी. सो उन्होंने इसका भी बहुत विरोध किया, दैट they are so small that how they are able to choose their spouse, how they are able to choose their partner for life. So he has also made great efforts to abolish this other custom, that is child marriage and polygamy. So what is polygamy? Polygamy means having more than one spouse, एक से ज़्यादा शादियाँ करना, ओके. मतलब एक ही टाइम पे एक से ज़्यादा दो वाइफ्स, देखिए स्पेशली फॉर द दिस polygamy is for the men's. Okay, so earlier क्या होता था कि एक जो आदमी है, okay, तो husband he used to keep more than one wife, कि 2-3 वाइफ्स होती थी. ओके, तो उन्होंने इसका भी प्रपोज किया कि दैट इफ वुमेन्स आर नॉट अलाउड टू हैव मोर देन वन हस्बैंड, सो हाउ द मेन्स आर अलाउड टू हैव मोर देन वन वाइफ. शी हैज ऑल्सो अपोज दिस पॉलीगैमी एज वेल. ओके, सो दीज आर द ग्रेट एफर्ट्स दैट वर मेड बाय ईश्वर चंद्र विद्यासागर. द फर्स्ट वन वॉज विडो रीमैरिज, विधवा औरतों की दोबारा से शादी. सेकेंड इज प्रमोशन ऑफ एजुकेशन, गर्ल एजुकेशन, लड़कियों को पढ़ाने के लिए प्रमोट करना कि दैट दे शुड ऑल्सो गेट एजुकेटेड. नेक्स्ट द नेक्स्ट इज स्ट्रांगली अपोज चाइल्ड मैरिज एंड पॉलीगैमी. तो बाल विवाह और मोर देन एक स्पाउस, ओके, मोर देन वन हस्बैंड और वाइफ, दैट दिस एविल प्रैक्टिसेस ही ऑल्सो वांट, he also oppose these two practices as well. Okay, so his name is Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. That is the answer of the second one. That is, the second is Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. Clear? Moving next to the third one. She dedicated her life for the charity work and to look after the sick and the poor. In the year 1979, he was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. Okay, her name is Mother Teresa. So now we are talking about one of the great lady of the world. She was Mother Teresa. इनको Mother Teresa बोला जाता था. Okay, so mother was, you can say, the name that was given to her by the people for showing their love and respect. So mother जो उनको नाम दिया गया था वो लोगों ने दिया था ताकि लोगों ने अपनी, कह लीजिए, उनसे प्यार से उनको मदर कहते थे. ओके, ओके, सो मदर टेरेसा ने अपना जो पूरी लाइफ है, शी हैज़ डेडिकेटेड हर होल लाइफ for saving, for serving the people, okay, for we can say for the charity work, okay, for helping the poor, for helping the needy. Okay, she has dedicated her whole life for the people only. Okay, and she was a nun. Okay, okay, and for her great contribution to the social reform, or for the social reforms, or for the you can say for the social love, she was also awarded with the Nobel Peace Prize. Okay, तो उनको Nobel Peace Prize भी दिया गया. Okay, but she was a great lady. Okay, she used to help all the people. Okay, those who were needs, whether it's a child, whether it's an adult. ओके, उन्होंने अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी लोगों की सेवा में निकाल दी. ओके, एंड उसी से जो लोगों ने उनको आफ्टर अंडरस्टैंडिंग हर लव एंड द केयर फॉर द पीपल स्टार्टेड टर्मिंग हर एज द मदर. लोगों ने उनको मदर कहना शुरू कर दिया, जिसकी वजह से उनका नाम क्या पड़ा, मदर टेरेसा. सो टेरेसा वॉज हर नेम. ओके, एंड मदर्स name was given by the people to her, and she was termed as Mother Teresa. Okay, she used to love the people. Okay, and then she also she also helped the patients. जो पेशेंट्स होते जो किसी भी बीमारी से, किसी तरह से, किसी भी रोग से जो ग्रसित होते थे, affected होते थे, so she also used to cure them. Okay, she also used to take care of them. So these all great works were done by one of this great lady, and her name is Mother Teresa. The answer of the fourth one is, that is Mother Teresa. Sorry, that is the, okay, so just forgot the third one. Okay, so now we will write the fourth one first. She is Mother Teresa. चलिए, अभी थर्ड जो हमारा स्किप हो गया है, अब उसको भी कर लेते हैं. सो थर्ड इज, He made efforts to combine Indian spirituality with Western material progress and dedicated his life toward the elimination of the child marriage and illiteracy in India. He strongly promoted education among the women and the lower caste. So now we are talking about the one of the great person in the Indian history, that is Swami Vivekanand. आपने स्वामी विवेकानंद जी का नाम सुना होगा. Now who was Swami Vivekanand? Swami Vivekanand, he made efforts to combine his Indian spirituality with the Western material progress. तो उन्होंने अपने जो इंडिया का जो कह लीजिए सभ्यता है उसको वेस्टर्न कल्चर के साथ जोड़ते हुए, उसके साथ लोगों को साथ जोड़ते हुए वेस्टर्न मटेरियल प्रोग्रेस डेडिकेटेड हिज लाइफ टुवर्ड्स एलिमिनेशन ऑफ जोड़ने की कोशिश की, सो दैट ही कैन अपलिफ्ट द स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ इंडियन सोसाइटी. तो इंडियन सोसाइटी का स्टैंडर्ड अपलिफ्ट करने के लिए ही स्टार्टेड कनेक्टिंग द इंडियन कल्चर, इंडियन स्पिरिचुअलिटी विद द वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड. ओके, अदर देन दैट ही ऑल्सो डेडिकेटेड हिज लाइफ टुवर्ड्स एलिमिनेशन ऑफ चाइल्ड मैरिज. ओके, तो इन्होंने भी जस्ट लाइक ईश्वरचंद विद्यासागर, इन्होंने भी चाइल्ड मैरिज यानी कि बाल विवाह को रोकने के लिए he has also made certain efforts. Illiteracy and illiteracy in India, अनपढ़ता. ओके, तो लोगों में अनपढ़ता को खत्म करने के लिए भी इन्होंने बहुत सारे एफर्ट्स, बहुत सारे मेजरमेंट्स he has taken. He strongly promoted education among women and the lower caste. इसके अलावा इन्होंने औरतों की शिक्षा और जो लोअर कास्ट, जो लोअर सेक्शन था सोसाइटी का, उनकी एजुकेशन के ऊपर भी बहुत ध्यान देते हुए उनको प्रमोट किया. ओके, सो दैट ही मेड सेवरल मूवमेंट्स सो दैट द पीपल शुड बी अवेयर दैट all the people, whether they belong to any caste or any religion, they should get educated. Okay, and he, along with that, he also promoted the education of the girls. So जो girls हैं, they should also be promoted so that their family can have a better life, because once a woman is educated, the whole family is educated. It is being said that. Okay, so he has also made several efforts. Okay, and that's why he is also considered as one of the great social reformer of the country. Okay, so he is also one of the great social reformer of the country, and his name is Swami Vivekanand. तो स्वामी विवेकानंद ने क्या क्या किया था बेटा? स्वामी विवेकानंद, he has connected the Indian spirituality with the Western world. Okay, along with that, he has डेडिकेटेड हिज लाइफ टू एलिमिनेट द चाइल्ड मैरिज, बाल विवाह खत्म करने के लिए, इलिटरेसी इन इंडिया, अनपढ़ता इंडिया में से खत्म करने के लिए, एंड ही स्ट्रांगली प्रमोटेड एजुकेटिंग वुमेन्स एंड लोअर सेक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी. तो जो लोअर सेक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी है, लोअर कास्ट के जो लोग थे, उनकी एजुकेशन, और जो वुमेन्स हैं उनकी एजुकेशन को भी उन्होंने बहुत स्ट्रांगली प्रमोट किया था, सो दैट पीपल कैन बी अवेयर ऑफ इट. सो हिज नेम इज Swami Vivekanand. He is none other than Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand. Okay. Moving to the fourth one. He gave up his legal career to devote his life to take care of the leprosy patients. Okay, later he founded an ashram dedicated to the treatment and the rehabilitation of these patients. So now we are talking about the next person. Okay, he is Kailash Satyarthi. Now we are talking about the Kailash Satyarthi. Now listen his great works. Okay, so now Kailash Satyarthi कौन थे बेटा? He has gave up his legal career. उन्होंने अपना लीगल करियर छोड़ के, okay, so he was a lawyer, okay, and then he left his career, okay, so that he can dedicate his life, rest of his life, for the care for the leprosy patients. So जो leprosy patients से ग्रसित जो लोग थे, उनकी केयर करने में इन्होंने अपनी पूरी लाइफ है जो निकाल दी आफ्टर गिविंग अप हिज लीगल करियर. ओके, सो व्हाट इज लेप्रोसी? लेप्रोसी इज अ काइंड ऑफ डिजीज इन विच द मसल्स ऑफ द बॉडी दे जस्ट गॉट लूज. तो बॉडी के जो मसल्स होते हैं वो इधर से लूज हो जाते हैं. ओके, सो दैट इज अ लेप्रोसी डिजीज. ओके, एंड लेटर ही फाउंडेड एन आश्रम डेडिकेटेड टू द ट्रीटमेंट एंड द रिहेबिलिटेशन ऑफ दीज पेशेंट्स. Okay, and later on he has also founded an ashram, okay, so that he can rehabilitate the people who were affected with this leprosy disease. Okay, तो उन्होंने and his name is Kailash Satyarthi. So Kailash Satyarthi is a great social reformer because he has give up his well settled legal career so that he can dedicate his life for the betterment, for the rehabilitation, for the treatment of the people who were suffering from leprosy disease. Okay, and even after the proper treatment and when they got fine, okay, तो उन्होंने बस यही नहीं रोक दिया, इसके बाद भी उन्होंने he worked on the rehabilitation of those people as well. उनके rehabilitation मीन्स उनको दोबारा नॉर्मल जीवन जीने में, नॉर्मल लाइफ जीने में भी उन्होंने बहुत ही अपना जो समय दिया, अपनी डेडिकेशन दी, सो दैट द पीपल दे कैन लिव अ बेटर लाइफ. ओके, आफ्टर बीइंग गेटिंग उस जो बीमारी से निकलने के बाद, सो दैट दे कैन हैव अ बेटर लाइफ. ओके, नेक्स्ट एंड वन मोर थिंग, he rehabilitate those people and he has founded an ashram. तो उन्होंने एक आश्रम भी बनाया जहाँ पे कि लेप्रोसी डिजीज से ग्रसित लोगों को रखा जाता था एंड रिहेबिलिटेशन करके, मतलब उनके ठीक होने के बाद उनकी रिहेबिलिटेशन का काम भी देखा जाता था. सो ही इज कैलाश सत्यार्थी. ही इज नन अदर देन कैलाश सत्यार्थी. कैलाश सत्यार्थी. Okay, he is Kailash Satyarthi. Moving to the fifth one, he fought against child labor and advocated the universal right to education. He founded the Bachpan Bachao Andolan. He was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in the year 2014. So now the next, sorry, he is Baba Amte. Sorry, I just wrote the wrong name. He is Baba Amte. He कौन थे? Baba Amte. He is Baba Amte. Now this is Kailash Satyarthi. I just got the fifth. Now sixth. Okay, so this was just messed up, so that's why I just written the wrong answer. Okay, that was Baba Amte, who had taken over, who has gave up his legal career and then devoted his life for the rehabilitation of the leprosy disease patients who were suffering from leprosy disease. Though he was Baba Amte. Now this is Kailash Satyarthi. Kailash Satyarthi has started the Bachpan Bachao Andolan. Okay, so after reading about the Andolan, I came to just recall it. Okay, so now he fought against child labor and advocated the universal right to education. He founded the Bachpan Bachao Andolan. He was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in the year 2014. Okay, अब जिनकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, he is कैलाश सत्यार्थी. अब कैलाश सत्यार्थी कौन थे बेटे? He had worked for the stopping the child labor, जो बाल मजदूरी थी उनको इन्होंने ख़त्म किया. इसके अलावा he has started a very fruitful movement that was Bachpan Bachao Andolan, under which the child whose age is less than 14 years were not allowed to involve in some kind of labor work, physical work. Okay, and the free education should be given to those children, okay, those who are not able to get educated, those who are not able to go to school, their parents are not so well educated or they are not financially strong that they are not able to send their child to the school. So for the betterment of these poor people and the needy children, he started this movement, that is Bachpan Bachao Andolan. Okay, and for this he was also awarded with the Nobel Prize in the year 2014. ओके, एंड ही फॉट अगेंस्ट द चाइल्ड लेबर. देखिए, मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि जो बाल मजदूरी थी उसको ख़त्म करवाने के लिए, ओके, एंड राइट टू एजुकेशन, हर बच्चे को पढ़ने का हक है. एवरी चिल्ड्रन हैज़ राइट टू एजुकेशन, सो दैट्स वाई फ्री एजुकेशन इज गिवन टू द चिल्ड्रन अप टू द एज ऑफ 14. तो 14 ईयर्स तक जो बच्चों को फ्री एजुकेशन दी जाती है, स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग द प्राइमरी इन द स्कूल, द फ्री एजुकेशन इज गिवन. Okay, so all these hard works, all this is the hard work of the Kailash Satyarthi, who started the Bachpan Bachao Andolan, and he was also awarded, इसीलिए उनको Nobel Peace Prize भी मिला था in the year 2014. Okay, so he is Kailash Satyarthi. Okay, Kailash Satyarthi. Okay, so this is the answers from the page number 19. Okay, so with this I'm just ending the session here only, class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a good day.